today we're gonna make one of my favorite recipes that I've developed for Weight Watchers. For all my Weight Watchers member friends out there, this is a 0-point roasted cherry vanilla compote. Now, the reason why I love this recipe so much, if you guys have a sweet tooth like I do throughout the day, you can use this in place of your syrup on your waffles or for things at breakfast to liven up boring-ish things like a yogurt parfait or oatmeal at breakfast, in place of jam, and even to make little mini desserts for yourselves. It takes no time to make with just a few ingredients, and like I said, it's naturally sweetened, so it's something you can feel good about. You can make a big batch of it, keep it in the fridge to use all week. Let's get started. So we're gonna spread this on a sheet pan that I've lined, double lined actually, with foil. And the reason I double lined it, I wanna make sure that I catch all of the delicious juices as the cherries roast. It's gonna come out almost like a thick, rich cherry pie filling. So we're gonna start with 2 pounds of frozen cherries. I absolutely love cooking with frozen fruit. It's often a lot fresher than fresh fruit, believe it or not. It's picked fresh and flash frozen. It's generally a lot cheaper, and oh my gosh, have you ever tried to pit 2 pounds of cherries? It would be kind of torturous. Then we're gonna sprinkle just a touch of brown sugar over the cherries and stir it in. And the reason I'm doing this, it's really gonna help caramelize the sugars, and it's not gonna add any additional smart points because it's really just the tiniest bit of sugar. You could use white sugar if you happen to be out of brown. So we're just gonna pop these in a 450 oven to roast. You can stir them halfway through to make sure you get nice even browning. And by the way, I'm gonna link the recipe below, so no stress. So now that our cherries have roasted and they're in that delicious jammy texture, we're gonna add a jolt of vanilla flavor. And to do that today, I'm gonna use a vanilla bean. Now, if you guys haven't cooked with one of these before, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to do. They are a little bit pricey, so if it's not something you wanna splurge on for this dish, you can absolutely swap in just like a little bit of vanilla extract too. So you can leave it whole like this. I actually really like the cherries whole with the juice around them, but if you wanted to, you could mash it with a potato masher to get a slightly thinner kind of result. So then you just scrape the rest of the vanilla bean into the cherries and stir it in. And can you see how jammy and luscious and delicious these are? Oh my gosh, you guys, it's even better than pie filling, honestly. And there are so many ways you can use these. So if you're craving a childhood comfort food treat, I absolutely love peanut butter and jelly. Are you guys using powdered peanut butter? I just want to make sure that everyone knows that this exists. And believe me, when I first heard about it, I was super skeptical. They sell powdered peanut butter in the supermarket right by the regular peanut butter. It has a fraction of the fat and calories. This says 90% less fat. And in Smart Points terms, for my Weight Watchers friends, 2 tablespoons of powdered peanut butter has 1 smart point. 6 smart points for regular peanut butter. So you can see what a bargain it is. We're gonna make a little 2 smart point peanut butter and jelly sandwich for ourselves. So you guys, you know here at Happy Meets Healthy, we are all about getting to enjoy sweet treats when they're done in a light way, and that way you don't have to feel deprived and you can still hit your health goals. So if you like this cherry compote idea, definitely check out my video for mini pumpkin cheesecakes because they're a lightened up way to enjoy delicious cheesecakes for dessert or really any time. If you're not a pumpkin fan, I also have links in that video to lots of other mini cheesecakes too. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked this video and let me know in the comments below how you plan to use your roasted cherry compote. See you next time.